windy out here today. Gonna be doing a little barbecue.
Wait, you already beat them up.
Pork chops. Shish kebabs. Make some shish kebabs. This is Buron sausage, pepper jack. There we go. And I'm trying it out for the first time. Y'all know me, I love my Buron sausage. Something new that they came out with. I'm just putting them on there randomly. Oh, hush, Samson. To you too. Coming along nicely. That wind is blowing too hard. Almost time to put barbecue sauce on it. Put some barbecue sauce on that. Let the other side cook. And I got right here and right here potatoes that are cut up to make baked potatoes. Barbecued pork chops and chopped up potatoes and garlic butter and other seasonings. Time for the hamburgers. The potatoes are going to have to stay on a lot longer, but it is what it is. I'm cooking the shish kebabs in the oven. Save me on time on the barbecue pit. Now we got chicken thighs and potatoes. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but you can hear it cooking. Oh, if you can smell this.
Oh yeah.
All done, huh? Steamer.
You videoing?
Mm-hmm. Baked potatoes without being whole.
Potato chunks.
Yeah, tater chunks.
That's the one that has all the juice in it.
Yep. It'll be juicy. And the onions.
Some onions, not many. Okay, watch out.
Dump it in, dump it in.
So with these, I just did, when I mixed them together, I did a little bit of olive oil, butter, Italian seasoning, garlic, salt, and melted butter.
That one's more steamier than the other ones.
Well, that one also had a larger amount in it.
Yeah. And here's the last thing I'm cooking, because it don't take long. Gotta be putting some Weber's savory steakhouse seasoning on it, instead of using my Zydeco or the salty cracker. All right, time to let it cook. I do have some D's nuts in the house, but it won't go good on burgers. Seasoning. Smoking. This is the last of the barbecue that I'm doing for today. So once these are done, I'm done cooking. Did potatoes, shish kebabs, chicken thighs, pork chops, hamburgers. I didn't want to do ribs because I'm not a big rib fan. Didn't want to do chicken breast because it takes a little longer than normal to cook one. on the pit. But that's all I do for today. And I'll see you on the next video. Later.